Anyone who has installed or repaired a drip irrigation system has likely used either compression or barbed insert fittings like these. Another way to make these connections is to use EZ-Lock fittings from Landscape Products. Designed to be quick, secure, and easy to install, these fittings are both heavy-duty and reusable. They're suitable for most half-inch polyethylene tubing as well as 16 to 18 millimeter drip line. This means you won't need to carry an assortment of fitting sizes to work with tubing from different manufacturers. Be aware that these fittings are rated at a maximum of 60 psi, so be sure to install a pressure regulator or drip zone kit like this that includes a pressure regulator along with a control valve and filter. Ideal for new installations and maintenance repairs on drip irrigation systems, the EZ-Lock fittings are long-lasting, UV-resistant, and can withstand exposure to chemicals commonly used in landscaping. The fittings are simple to use once you know how they work. To make a connection, start by making sure that the locking nuts are tightened inward so that the threads can no longer be seen. Next, push the tubing or drip line onto the barbed end of the fitting until fully seated. Then back the locking nut down over the tubing. If you need to make adjustments to your design in the future, the EZ-Lock fittings can be removed and reused as needed. Available fittings include couplings, elbows, T's, male adapters, hose swivels, and hose ends with cap. For more information on EZ-Lock fittings and other drip irrigation components from Landscape Products, stop into your local Ewing branch. You can also visit us online at ewingirrigation.com.